Simon, I want you charged in reporting a new Italian product on this Friday, okay?
Yes.
Hi, Simon. Friday is 13.
Oh, hold on. 13th? It is that day. Oh my God. Why could this happen to me? It is Friday. They mustn't find a parking place. It is Friday. The elevator must be packed. So do the meeting room. It would be occupied by unexplained reasons because it's Friday. It will definitely happen. So do the meeting room B. Unexpected trouble would occur during the reporting because it's Friday.
Hey buddy, don't worry about that. We'll be moving to our new office on Friday. The new building will be configured with Midea Building Management System. At 7 a.m. in the morning, MBMS issues various instructions to wake up facilities in the office. The MBMS has an intelligent parking function to help visitors find parking spaces quickly. And don't forget that MBMS also has excellent visitor management functions. When visitors access the gate, the elevator is already waiting. Then, it will automatically send visitors to the target floor. MBMS also has a powerful meeting management system. By appointment, the system will automatically allocate a meeting room nearby for you. The most brilliant part of MBMS is its central air conditioning and lighting management function. The MBS system can adjust the temperature, humidity, wind speed, and indoor air quality according to the changes in environment. At the same time, it can also adjust the angles of the curtain and the brightness of the internal light according to the sunshine and working patterns. So hey buddy, don't worry about it. Everything will go well.
We don't have change.
Whoa, Simon. I believe we can sign now.